Samsung S22 Unpacked event is tipped for January. Lower release price may stay. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung is gearing up to start the production run for the Galaxy S22 series as the report coming from the source from South Korea, the ALEC, meaning the S22 specs and design plans are more or less settled by now. So guys, as per the leaks, we already know that Samsung will be calling their next flagship level device to be the S22 Ultra instead of the Note 22 Ultra, and that leak has been coming from a credible source, the Ice Universe. But one thing that is not yet been confirmed is the design. There are two different design prototypes, like we have a P-shaped camera sensor on the back side and the 1-1 shape of camera sensor, which are coming with the same quad camera setup on the back side. But Samsung did not decide yet which design they are going to follow. Anyhow, the reports even breaks down the production shares of the three expected S22 phones, in which about 50 to 60% of the shares are for 6.1 inch of the S22, 20% for S22 Plus, and the rest goes to 6.8 inch S22 Ultra, making a drastic shift for the middle child whose predecessor, the S21 Plus, has got 30% production share. This breakdown would be even more valid for S22 Ultra that will come up with an S Pen support which is pre-built inside the device, just like the Note models, and probably this is going to be a device which most of the Samsung Note fans will be buying. Anyhow, recent reports about the S22 series battery capacity has been leaked. The S22 will be coming with a 3800 mAh battery capacity, which is less from the S21 4000 mAh of battery capacity, while the S22 Plus will be coming with 4500 mAh battery cell, and the S22 Ultra will be coming with a massive 5000 mAh of battery capacity inside, and perhaps only the fast charging capability will be available in the S22 Ultra. So guys, as far as the S22 series launch date, it's mainly depend upon the pricing, whether this device will be a hit or a miss from Samsung, because as far as the pricing of the Ultra model for a Samsung devices, it's probably going to be one of the worst pricing that Samsung has ever put. So I hope that Samsung will be bringing prices down in order to get the sales. Anyway guys, these are my opinions. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.